In today's video, I'll be covering RARI from a daily perspective and from a 9-hour perspective. The ticker symbol is RARI-USD. We'll start with the daily chart, as I always like to look at the longer time frames, and we'll see that RARI is responding to the support outlined by the May 23rd low and also by several lows in mid-June. You'll see it came down, reacted to the upside after declining within the context of a descending parallel channel. It's still below the 50-day simple moving average, which comes in at 970. If we're able to close above the 50-day simple moving average on a daily basis, RARI could possibly trigger a move up to this area of extreme resistance, which goes back into beginning in May 20th and extends through June and then into early July. It actually envelops the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level of the entire decline from May 18th into June 22nd. So clearly investors are looking for or are going to struggle with getting beyond this point and going up to the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement or even the 50 Fibonacci retracement. I think a better objective at this point is to wait for a daily close above the 50-day or wait for a pullback into this support zone before targeting a new position. If you enter on a daily close above the 50, you'd be looking at about a 50% advance into the lower range of this price range. And if you waited till coming down to the support area, you'd be looking at a 92% gain, which is a notable gain, particularly in the context of what the market has been doing over the last few weeks, even the last few months. Going down to the 9-hour chart, this puts it into clear perspective how you'll see in June 22nd, we registered an oversold condition on the relative strength index, and there was a notable advance from there. On July 19th, we registered an oversold reading again on the 9-hour chart, and we've responded with a nice rebound off those lows. So if you take a look at what took place off that particular RSI reading, you had an advance of over 200%, which is quite astonishing. If you take it from this and you go for a 217%, really you'd be coming in just below the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement or retracement level of the entire decline. So like I said, moving forward, investors should be looking either for a pullback into this resistance level, which is between 6.84 and 7.64, or a daily close above the 50-day moving average, which comes in at 9.71. That will leave RARI exposed to a notable advance of about 50% to the lower edge of this price range, which is between 1484 and 1714, and includes the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level. It obviously, with newer cryptocurrencies and in a market that's lacking FOMO, it's lacking general leadership, I think that we should be looking at tight correlations to the crypto majors, and in particular the flagship cryptocurrency Bitcoin for direction when it comes to RARI. But the opportunities in RARI obviously have not ended, even after today's 25% advance. Even if you miss this and you get above here and there's some type of consolidation, you can look to go higher. So overall, I'm neutral until there's a daily close above the 50-day moving average or a retest of this support level where you can have a good risk reward situation for almost 100% advance. Thank you.